All right, today we're gonna bring a toy. It's a water boat. It's for outdoors. It could be used in lakes, water, pools, pretty much anywhere that you have retains any kind of water. So we're gonna put this to use today and see how well it works. So first of all, you get the charger. It's a USB charger. This will charge the internal battery of the boat. Now the actual controller does require AA batteries, 2 of them. It does give you a little stand. They give you the USB and the charging station. So today we're just gonna set it up and see what you can do with this. So let's go ahead and put it to use. Okay, so we're gonna open it up first, all right? Open the latches. You open this latch. This pops up. And because this one has a seal proof too, all right? You gotta make sure. If it's too tight, you can always unscrew it. Now this is waterproof for the actual battery. I'm gonna unplug it now that we charged it. And there is a connection here. You have to plug it in. Just make sure that you're doing the prongs right. Put it in there. I'm gonna sink the battery in there too. Battery goes in embedded in here because it has to balance the weight. So just push it in the back. Once you tuck that in there, put this in here, but make sure I'm gonna do it right. That's some little locks, that's right. That's it. And that's it. We're gonna put it in the water and test it out. Can you still circle on this thing? Look at that, look at that. Circles all around. Smoking. Smoke circles.